Welcome back, everyone. Christine here. So glad that you're here. So, what has happened to your stash since 2020? Did it grow or did it diminish? I would like to know. Please leave a comment in the comments below. Well, let me tell you a little bit about my stash. The last few videos I showed you, yes, I bought some Pima cotton and made a corner-to-corner blanket. That was the biggest project of 2020 that I did. I did a few shawls, a few hats, you name it, I did it. So what happened to my stash? Well, it diminished. It diminished so much that it actually fits into this tote. Yes. And there's not much left of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One hank. Everything else is balled and caked up. 2 of which that I dyed. One being a sock yarn, and then one being a Polworth DK that I have, that I made some hats out of. This is the remainder of it. Other than that, not much. I have some linen that's real fine that I have no idea what I'm doing with it yet. So that's why it's still in my stash. But other than that, if you can see, this is all I have left. So please let me know what happened to your stash. I would love to know. So, everyone would like to see me dye again. So I am dying to dye again. And I had to rethink and think again and about the logistics of it, because I don't want to be back in that position where I once was, where I was doing shows and traveling and setting up and having a whole bunch of inventory. And that was my biggest thing, was I had so much money put out into product and traveling, and I was also working, and I had yarn in a yarn shop and trying to restock that. Also while doing videos and, you know, getting guys pumped up for stuff, learning new things, learning new stitches, whether it be knit, crochet, weaving, whatever. And I have to confess, I did sell my spinning wheel. And I'm looking forward to possibly buying an e-spinner and do some spinning like that. Yes, I do miss my spinning wheel badly. However, it just took up too much space. There was a lot of life changes last year for me as well. So hence why I had to downsize so much. I also sold my weaving loom as well, the Cricut. And to be honest with you, I wasn't so crazy about the loom, so I don't miss that so much. But I do miss dyeing. I do miss being behind the camera. And you'll see a little bit more in my bedroom because it's a safe haven where I can block out all the noises. And yes, I'll have to do something and try to create a cool looking set for you guys. So, with that being said, I did do something. Yes, I bit the bullet. I searched the internet and I thought, okay, how can I make this work without me having a ton of inventory, running a website, having all those fees going with it? I could go back to Etsy. That was my only option. That's where I started off at, is Etsy. So I dug through my notes and everything, and yes, my account is still inactive to this day, but hopefully soon I will have it activated and updated. So I did this. You want to see what's inside? Let's take a look. All right, guys, I haven't seen any of this yet, so we're seeing this for the first time, both of us, or all of us together. Yep, I hit the camera. Let's see. And of course the anticipation is going to kill us until we get this box open without me bashing the camera. Of course I had to look all over the place to find what I was looking for. And hopefully finding something that you guys would be interested in. I didn't eat my Wheaties this morning, sorry. What do you think this is? Too excited, no scissors. 100% Pima cotton, DK weight. A plant-based fiber, so we can dye. Let's see what else we got in this box. Ooh, yummy. Some more. This is Polworth. Sock weights. Oh my. Animal-based fiber. Polworth is a favorite of mine, one of my favorites. Some more Pima cotton and DK weight, because you can never have enough of cotton. Spring and summer knitting and crocheting is coming up. And then I went out on a limb, the proverbial limb, so to speak. All right, so this next one, I hope you get excited. Drum roll, please. 75% superwash merino, 15% mulberry silk, and 10% cashmere. Doesn't that sound yummy? Let's see how it feels. Oh, it feels like butter. Oh, it's so super soft. Oh my. I think I made a good choice here. Because as you know, if you've watched my videos, when you have an animal fiber and a natural fiber mixed together, they take the dye differently. But that's for another video because I'm going to teach you more. But that's what's in the box. Not too much, not too little. I was trying to find just the right amount of stuff for you. So what do you think? All right, there you guys have it. Are you thrilled? Are you excited as I am to get back to the dyeing pot? I know I am. I know I'm not too thrilled about the way things have went. And I know, I heard a quote the other day about living life as if you're a droplet of water in a river. And as you go down the river, it twists and turns and you have to make changes along the way. And that resonated with me a little bit, that all of us have made a lot of sacrifices and changes in the past year or so. So think of it that way. When you think life is tough, think of yourself as a little droplet going down that river, nice and smooth sometimes it's rough waters. But with every twist, ebb and flow, there's either a door, an opportunity, or something to create. So please, again, tell me what happened to your stash in 2020. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll be in the dye pot soon. I'll see you. Peace.